Welcome back to another video, and today we've got a 2006 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Absolutely stunning. What a nice example. First of all, it's only done about 60 odd K. I don't even know, actually. Let me have a quick look. It's quite low. Yeah, 65,000 miles. And what a spec. Probably one of the best spec ones out there, I'd say, right now. You got the 19-inch retro style alloys. This has been well kept. Last owners had it for 7 years. Paint absolutely gleaming. We haven't even polished it. It's got carbon pack. We've got sport chrono. It's got obviously the full-on black leather sport seats. This has got carbon steering wheel, sunroof, Alcantara roof lining, exhaust flaps on the button, which actually work, which is nice to see on a Porsche. It's a good example. Really good history. Photos and videos aren't doing this justice at all. As you can see from the front end, it's like minimal, like barely any stone chips. Really, really well kept. Automatic. It's got DAB. I don't know. Yeah, it should have DAB. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer head unit. So you've got Apple CarPlay. It's got the color-coded center console as well. Genuinely, I believe this is probably one of the nicest ones out there. And being a 4S, very, very desirable, very much in demand. History is really good as well with it. Parking sensors, all the usual bits, standard stuff you'd get on this. "20-year-old car now, and that looks absolutely spotless. Really, really well kept. Credit to the previous owner, genuinely. Like, that is, he's looked after that. Let's have a look inside. So we've got Bose audio, black leather, you've got the carbon along here as well. Full electric seats on both sides. Passenger seat in really nice condition. Back seats. Don't have many passengers sitting in the back there. You've got the carbon on the handbrake. Black center console. Carbon all along here. Got active suspension as well, PASM. Memory pack as well. Driver's seat in really nice condition as well. Still well padded as well. Carbon fiber steering wheel. I've only ever had one. I had a 996 Carrera 4S many years ago with a carbon steering wheel. I've never had one since, but what a nice touch. That is lovely. Really, really nice. Cruise control, PSM, sport button, chrono. Definitely want some fuel. Apple CarPlay, which you'll see in the photos, all working correctly. We've got heated seats. Chrono, again, you'll see in the photos, but I can show you now if you really want to see. There we go. There we go, it's a stopwatch. Makes it all sharper. Let's just stop the timing on that. Go. Spoiler obviously comes down. I'm going to show you a little rev as well with the exhaust tone being different. Put that into neutral, get the spoiler down. There we go. So PASM all activated there. So that is in neutral. No, that's in reverse. No, neutral, yeah. So a little rev for you. Exhaust flaps closed. Sports mode, instantly hear the revs pick up. Hear the difference. This is a slightly warm engine, I'm not going to do it cold. Alcantara on the roof lining all along here. Nice example. Really, really nice this. Guys, there we go. If you like this, very well kept 911 C4S. Certainly a future collectible item. Please give us a shout. There will be a link below which will give you the details that you need. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out. Bye.